Alright, so this is just going to be a quick video of me upgrading my graphics card. I just recently purchased a 1660 Super, and I'm going to be installing that into my PC rig today. First, I gotta get that box open. The reason why I'm upgrading is because, well, basically, I've been running a 1050 Ti for about 4 years. And it's okay, it's a great entry-level card, and I just want something more powerful than my sweet rig. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a big boy. That's a big boy. I love the way this card looks. Fans. Checking out some of the ports, DVI ports, make sure the fans work, make sure there's no loose parts. Alright, I'm going to unplug the PC and turn it off. Put it on its side. Go ahead and unscrew the side panels right now. Get up in there, get off the glass. It's a little bit dusty in here. I ended up cleaning this thing out after I was done. Look how dusty that thing is. Gross. Wipe it down just a little bit. Alright, I'm going to insert the new card. Get that boy in there, right into the motherboard. Make sure it's in there. Screw it into the case panel. Alright, I'm going to push down too hard. Look at that. In there. Next I gotta plug in the power supply. This thing has a power supply. The old card didn't even need a power supply. It ran off the power straight from the motherboard. This one needs its own power supply, so I gotta hook that in. Pretty easy process. Power up. Nice. Motherboard lights on. Hear that beep. We're gonna get a post. Alright. Up and running. Up and running. Haha, that's it. Oh, I love this thing. Glass panel back on, screw that in. Card came out in about 2019, late 2019. It's a pretty freaking sweet card. Paid about $429 for it. These cards are way overpriced right now. Due to everything going on with COVID and Trump's tariffs. Nothing like upgrading your PC. Love it. It just never ends.